When I grow up, I want to be better, greater, successful. I'm going to be the artist that interviews artists.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's LoloRee. I just washed and conditioned my hair with whole blends of avocado conditioner and honey shampoo. Then I took the time to get the coconut milk oil by Oxy Beauty and braid my hair up. And now I'm about to slay my hair and go out. So, the goal to a perfect ponytail for me is making sure the basis is laid. Like, this is before I cut all my hair off and like trim my ends. So, like, I used to be able to really gel and slick down my hair into a ponytail, like real like slick, put the gel down first and put the wax over top so it's real smooth. And then once I got into a ponytail, I would get that edge control with the toothbrush and start slaying my edges with the toothbrush though. Like, nothing gets it like the toothbrush. And even when I get in the front and I swoop it, like, nothing can get it like an old toothbrush that you used to brush your teeth with. I know that sounds crazy, but the bristles are all messed up and it gets every hair in place. Like, you don't just go bad toothbrush and be like, I'm gonna lay my edges with this. But look at my ends. This is why I cut my hair. Like, right here. This is why I cut my hair. Do you see them ends? It's so poofy. When I try and go around in a circle and put them, like, look. Now I need two. Look, I need two scrunchies. More than that, for real. Where my scarf at? See, I need to put my scarf on and lay my hair because on everything, them ends wasn't bad. But the scarf is really magic for real. Like, it gets every hair in place. But my face be so greasy after I do my hair. I gotta wipe it off with the astringent, the clear, pure astringent, the blue bottle. You can get it at Rite Aid, CVS. And by the time I'm done cleaning my T-zones and my face and my neck, you see there's so much oil on that thing. Like, look at that. It's about to come up. Ooh. Then I get the jojoba oil and I put that on my face because I don't want wrinkles when I get older. Like, you gotta moisturize your face. Like, one thing I'm learning, the winter is cold and I need oil on my face. Like, for real. Look, scarf do magic. Scarf do nothing but magic. Yes. But then I tried to play with some makeup, y'all, and I couldn't take it. So I had to get the makeup wipes by Neutrogena. Those are the only ones that don't irritate my face. Look, I gotta get all that off my eyes. I don't think I'm good at makeup. That's why I call Get Your Fleek on, because she be hooking me up. But when I try myself, I just be experimenting. Whoo, face be all wet after you do the makeup wipe. You gotta come in again because it be so wet that you be getting the black mascara all over your face, looking great. All right.